The Cicada and the Ant by Jean de La Fontaine. Having sung the summer through, Cicada found herself quite destitute. And when the north wind blew, provisions being less than scant, she crawled on down to neighbor Ant, with cries of famine, hoping to borrow just a bit of seed, to tide her over till the coming spring. "I'll pay, of course," she tried to plead, "before the month of August, both interest and principal. Come, trust a fellow animal." The ant, however, is no lender. Lending is the least of all her flaws. "Could you tell me what you did on all those hot, dry days?" she asked the borrower. "Night and day, my pardon to you ants, I sang, for one and all." "You sang? I am enthralled. Now all you have to do is dance."
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.